Hello students, today I'm going to teach you all tutorial electric fields. Okay, so question number 1. The diagram shows a point charge positive Q placed in the electric field of the charge positive capital Q. Now, the force experienced by the charge positive Q at point A is F. Okay, so bear in mind. Okay, so from point A here is F. So means that there will be a force between these two, which is labeled as F. Okay, now calculate the magnitude of the force experienced by this charge when it's placed at the points B, C, D, and E. In each case, explain your answer. Okay, so there you go. Here is the diagram of just now. So bear in mind here, given here which is the forces between these two is positive Q. So I will label it as now is F. So I label it here as R. Okay, so now I write down F equal to Q over Q over 4 pi epsilon naught r squared. Okay, so this is the equation. Okay, now at B. Okay, at B, although it's pointing to downwards. Okay, but the force magnitudes will be the same. So the force is F. So right now, force is the same. So force is F. Okay, now the only thing is the difference is the direction. So but now we don't consider the directions, but we just consider the magnitude. So the magnitude, the force is the same because the distance is the same. Okay, now at C, let's take a look. C. Okay, at C, C is somewhere from here to here. Okay, so now you can see the distance between the Q and C has increased to 2 times. So means that my distance at C will be 2 times the distance at A. Okay, so if I increase the distance 2 times means I decrease. Okay, so bear in mind I increase the distance 2 times, so means I decrease the force. Okay, force at C 4 times. Okay, 4 times. Okay, so means my force at C will be equal to F over 4. Okay, because the distance is double. Okay, is double. Okay, so now at sorry, I will call out the pen again. Okay, so at D. Okay, at D. Okay, so back to the previous one. Now at D, D is somewhere from here to here. Okay, so now you can see the distance at D is 3 times already. So at D, RD is equal to 3 times RA. So F is reduced by 9 times. Okay, so my F at D will be F over 9. Okay, because the distance is treble, but force is decreased by a factor of 9. Okay, now finally at E. Okay, so going back to the previous one, so E, look at that, is from here to here. Okay, so by using a Pythagoras theorem, okay, we know that our E will become, here is a 2RA, so here will become 2RA again. So you're using your Pythagoras, your RE is equal to 2 times RA plus 2 times RA, so sorry, is squared up and square root, so I will get eventually 8 of RA. Okay, so my force will be reduced by 8 times. Okay, 8 times. Okay, because